Hello all, this is Santosh and welcome to TechDesign. In this video, I am going to show you how to make copy and cut faces in synchronous modeling. So as you all know that how copy and cut works in system. In the same way here also. We do copy face, original face will be unaffected and a duplicate face will be created. Whereas in cut face, the original face will be deleted and a duplicate face will be created. So usually these two commands will not be available in synchronous modeling top bar, but we have to dig into a menu and then get the commands. So we'll just go to menu, insert and synchronous modeling. Here there is a reuse. So inside this reuse you can see copy, cut and paste and other commands as well. So today we are going to discuss on copy and cut face. So in future videos I'm going to show you other commands as well. So now we'll go to copy face. So now what you can do is you can see here there are some faces here. So this is actually a non-parametric model. You can see here there is only a body that is existing. So whatever this face is available here, I'm going to copy these faces. So there are many ways how we can select these faces. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select these faces one by one. Okay. So bottom face also I'm going to select. So now we need to provide a vector along which it has to be copied. So I'm going to select this vector. So now we need to provide a distance. So I'm going to give a decent distance so that it crosses this whatever the model we have. So and then in the paste option there is a paste copied faces. It should be enabled, otherwise the whatever the copied face will not be pasted. So we are going to click OK. So as soon as you do that, the whatever the faces that we have here, it will be copied to another place. So now we are going to show you how we can use a cut face. So as we have discussed already, in the cut face, whatever the faces are there, it will be removed and it will be pasted in different position. So let's go into menu, insert, synchronous modeling and then reuse and cut face. So here I'm going to select the faces now. So the same faces I'm going to select over here as well. Okay, so now it is asking for a vector, so along this vector, and now I need to give the distance. So distance I'm going to drag it over here and then this is fine. Now we need to provide paste cut faces and you can just click OK. So as soon as you do this, you can see here it has been removed from this original place and it has been moved to the new place. So this is how the copy face and cut face works, guys. Please stay tuned. We will be uploading more videos on synchronous modeling. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button as well as share my videos. Thank you guys.